compensating.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
you should see a hologram somewhere around here.
We got one or two keys.
You got, well, I'll show you this too. Thanks for reminding me. You got one key, but if for whatever reason the car dies, this key,
Got a key.
yeah, the key pops out right here, but you have to go in through the
I
trunk.
got a blown out
And my
knee.
dad,
I got
as many as
fake
these
knee.
Corvettes we've had, he always forgets this.
I gotta go get me one.
You go
this
through
thing's
here.
blown out.
And there's a,
If you can't open the car or something?
yeah, because if the battery's dead, the door's not gonna open from the outside.
Okay.
That's a little secret way.
You gotta go, there's a little keyhole right here. And this pops open.
And then you gotta climb.
No, no, he climbs because he can't ever remember. You have a lever here.
Oh, okay.
See, he forgot again. You pull this lever and the door opens.
Oh, okay.
So you pull this,
I got you.
door
A
opens.
little sneak opener.
Yeah, a little sneak opener. So that's what happens if you ever get locked out. He crawls through here
I forgot about that deal.
because he forgets through it. And then the next day he can't move because his back hurts.
Yeah, well,
Now, that top comes off.
hey, you don't make fun.
Yeah, right.
Wait till you get to be our age.
Yeah, that's what he tells me.
Bill, we get ready to take that top off.
So there's
There's
three latches.
three little
for the
latches,
top.
but it slides. You just stick it right here underneath these seals here. You know, it'll hold it.
It's a one-piece top?
Yeah,
Yes,
one
sir.
piece top.
So I'll show you. Right in here, there's going to be a lever right here. You pull this back,
Yeah.
a lever on that
Same
side,
thing over there.
and then there's one right there. And the whole piece pops off. It's really light. It's just more cumbersome. And then fits directly back in here, locks in place.
Sits in there and fits in that
Yeah, it'll
slot or
lock.
something.
Yeah, it locks right in here,
Okay.
and that's it. And it pops out. And then for your gas, they made it a lot easier in this car. The button right here
Okay,
pops right
Okay.
open. So you hit that button, flies open. You also got a button for the trunk to release, or the hatch.
Release the trunk.
Uh-huh. And that's it right there.
Wow.
And then,
Nice trunk.
It really is.
That's a hell of a trunk.
I'm surprised because the trunk on that is so
The,
tiny.
the
Yeah.
Mercedes, that's one of the things I didn't like about that. You can't even put a briefcase
Yeah.
in the cab.
Yeah, they're
oh yeah, he
Small.
traded in that Mercedes
There is
right there.
nothing.
So if you guys want a
You can't put
Mercedes,
nothing behind the seat.
there's a 15 with
We'll pull
50,000
those
miles
plates
on
off,
it. Need to get rid of it.
Throw them away. To register your name. But
The
you
what?
pull those plates off, I'll throw them in the trash can.
Yeah, we'll throw away those plates. But here, there's your car. He's already got a picture of all of us right here.
All right.
Please do.
Is it a push button start or something?
Yeah, it's a push button start.
Okay.
You're doing stand
Yeah.
by Bill. Well, Bill's getting his wife this Valentine's Day. She's very, very thrilled. Bill said he'll let her drive it every once in a while.
Maybe.
Maybe. But yeah, hop in there, fire her up, and you guys are good to go.
We'll
There you
see.
go. Thanks, Bob. We appreciate it.
Congratulations on the
Thank you.
Corvette.
Bill, good doing
Won't
business
be the
with you.
last
Miss
time
Barbara.
I see you.
Well, I
In
hope
fact,
not.
I'm
Enjoy it.
sure I will
Thank
come
you.
up with questions
Yes.
and I'll drive by.
With this,
and-
Yeah. You got her number and
Maybe
everything?
Yard driver, just give us a holler. We live here.
Yeah,
'cause
stop by
I'll-
whenever.
I'll probably end up with questions like, how do you turn the fucking lights on?
I think I have it on auto
yeah, I
right
sure will.
here.
We'll get over there. Be fine. I'll call you first.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but
Stop by
you would
and
adjust it
go
right
down.
here.
That's good.
This little
We
switch.
love going down to the
It's on
Corvette.
auto.
I lived in
And
the
then
island
this-
for 10 years. He was born on the
Here's
island.
right
matter of fact.
Cruise, push that.
Yeah.
and
I enjoyed
And
it.
then
I
the
enjoyed the
speed,
drive
you
back
adjust it
into
right
town.
here.
You know, I could decompress
This
time I
is
got
what I was
home
telling you
from
about
work
your
and
heads-up
stuff.
display.
And I, of course,
So
I
you
drove
can
a
see
Corvette. I
in
always
the
had to be
windshield,
doing 100
You
at the
can
top of that
change
bridge.
what you see here.
Every day.
And then
Thank God I didn't get
adjust
caught.
the height and brightness here.
Oh, okay.
Well, actually,
I'll read the
Yep.
manual.
well, actually, if you go in there and fire it up, I'll show you right here because you're a lot taller than I am.
They
Slide on in there.
Uh-huh.
And there was an American bank on the island.
Right, yeah, it's true. I remember that.
Padre Island was a closing for the
Push
American
start.
bank.
Push
Yeah.
the little green
So
button.
I'd drive to the American bank at
Right
Padre
there.
Island every day.
Oh, I
Back.
see.
And they compensated me.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
you should see a hologram
It's a nice
somewhere around
downtime.
here. If you,
You bet.
if,
Get a-
then you can
Look,
change,
I can't
change
catch
it
fish.
all
Never
right
could
here.
catch fish.
So if you want
I
to
have
see
a
something
little boat.
else,
I go cruising back there, dock and all that.
and that's it right
He was
there.
about 2 years
and then
old.
you go through all your options right
And
here. Trip
he
mode.
was at the
and
pool
everything.
with a little ducky deal.
Yeah, the owner's
And
man, you'll
she-
figure it out. You'll fall in love with
This
it.
went in the house for a split second.
Electronic paddle
He
shift.
fell
Yeah,
over.
yeah, you got your electronic.
Just
And
Well, you're gonna have a fun trip.
But we didn't have any singing shores.
Yeah, so then the minus would be back.
Oh no,
So you push for plus.
No, they
and
got
then
Cinnamon
pull-
Shores North,
pull
Cinnamon Shores
in for
South.
back.
And all those three-story.
You get out of your hair, Bobby.
Alrighty, Bill.
There's
enjoy
a
it.
3-story house that's on Port 8, one that's closest to the water of any of them.
Just
Passed
like
away
that,
here a few
guys,
months ago.
we got the
That was it. He
GT1
owned the
sold, the
house.
rarest Corvette that we have in
He
stock.
leased it out for like,
We just got in this 250
I don't know, he told me like
Mercedes convertible.
20,000 a week.
And
or something.
yeah,
mean,
I don't really
it
deal in
is
Mercedes, as you can see.
big
Got a whole
thing.
bunch of
Always
Corvettes.
leased out.
So if you guys want a Mercedes, check that one out. Post it on my website soon. But
Okay.
yeah,
You
a lot of
guys-
you guys missed out on that
Valentine's Day
GT1.
to you.
Only one out of
I'll do
125
that.
made. That's
Thank you,
number
Barbara.
19. Very rare car. But if you want some other cool cars, check out all this other stuff. Thunderbirds,
Say, be easy on
Corvettes,
them.
Challengers, 71 Stingrays.
Huh?
So thank you guys for
Either
watching
that
this
one
video
right
so
there with the
far.
finger.
And if you're in the
That-
market
that
for a
right there.
Corvette,
You
reach
can
out to
take
us.
the
If you're
knobs.
selling a Corvette, also
See,
reach out to us because we're buying cars
Go
left
back
and
this
right.
way.
Today's
Oh,
Valentine's
yeah.
Day. They got a great Valentine's present. Hey, every day can be Valentine's Day
Right,
here at
uh-huh.
Stingray Alley. Just message us and we'll get the car to you guys.